Hi, my name is Mike Lampa. I'm with the Business Intelligence Practice, and I wanted to spend a few minutes with you today to describe business analytics. So, question, what is business analytics? And let's answer that in terms of its objective. The objective of business analytics is to analyze the performance of the organization so that I can optimize the execution of business process with two end state goals in mind. One is to maximize my monetary performance or my monetary value, and two is mitigate corporate risk and keep my CEO out of jail, right? So I want to figure out how can I optimize the execution of process so that I get the best earnings per share and I keep us from making bad decisions or producing invalid reports to things like Wall Street, entities like Wall Street. So business analytics, in order for me to be able to analyze the performance of the organization, the only thing I have available to me as an empirical means for measure is the data that's produced by the operational systems that automate the business functions, such as marketing activities, sales activities, order fulfillment activities, supply chain management, manufacturing processes, customer service, etc. Right? All those business functions have systems that automate the tracking of the execution of those functions. So that raw material from these operational support systems is pulled together into a thing called the data warehouse. And the data warehouse is really a database repository that takes the raw materials from the operational systems and turns it into a view that the business can understand. I understand how customers relate to orders, and orders relate to the product that I sell, and the product that I sell relates to customer service requests for defect services, etc. Right? So databases such as Aster Data or Greenplum are enabling database technologies for data warehouses. They're designed to optimize excuse me, fast responses to some of these complex business questions that I want to ask when I want to find out how do I optimize the performance of sales activity management, for example. If I have a goal of generating X $1 million in sales revenue and I'm falling short of that goal, I want to ask, why am I falling short in the eastern region versus the western region? So the way I interact with the data in the data warehouse to answer those business analytics is using BI tools such as SAS or Business Objects or Microsoft's product or Oracle's product, etc. Right? These are all BI tools that interact with the data so that an end user, a business person, can ask natural business questions. How is my company doing? And if a company's not performing the way I want it, I want to understand what do I have to change in the operational world to improve the performance of those processes so that I can get to my two objectives. Okay?